Hi guys, in this video we're going to learn the most common French terms of endearment for men, women and children. When a term is used mainly for girls or women, I have put an F in brackets. And when it is mostly used for boys or men, you'll see an M in brackets. And finally, MF in brackets means that the term is used equally for men and women. Les termes d'affection. These terms are mainly used between lovers and family members. Mon chéri, ma chérie, my darling. Mon chéri, ma chérie. Mon amour, my love. Mon amour. Mon cœur, my heart. Mon cœur. Ma moitié, my half. Ma moitié. Je serai toujours là pour toi, ma chérie. I will always be there for you, darling. Je serai toujours là pour toi, ma chérie. The following terms are mainly used on children. Mon grand, ma grande. My big boy, my big girl. Mon grand, ma grande. Mon poussin, my chick. Mon poussin. Mon chaton, my kitten. Mon chaton. Mon trésor, my treasure. Mon trésor. Je t'aime, mon trésor. I love you, my treasure. Je t'aime, mon trésor. Ma puce, my flea. Ma puce. Ma fifille, my little girl. Ma fifille. Ma poupée, my doll. Ma poupée. Ma poupette, my little doll. Ma poupette. Ma grenouille, my frog. Ma grenouille. Viens voir maman, ma puce. Come and see mommy, my flea. Viens voir maman, ma puce. The following terms are mostly used for boys and men. Mon chouchou, my favorite. Mon chouchou. Mon chou, my cabbage or my pastry. Mon chou. Mon canard, my duck. Mon canard. Mon lapin, my rabbit. Mon lapin. Mon coco, my egg. Mon coco. Please note that coco is a childish term, so don't use it if you're talking about edible eggs. Je t'aime tellement, mon chouchou. I love you so much, my favorite. Je t'aime tellement, mon chouchou. These terms are often used by children when talking to their parents. Mamounette, little mummy. Mamounette. Papounet, little daddy. Papounet. Joue avec moi, papounet. Play with me, little daddy. Joue avec moi, papounet. Please note, the possessive adjective has to agree with the gender of the noun it precedes, which is not always the same as the gender of the person you're talking to. For example, never say ma cœur, even if you're talking to a girl or a woman. Instead, you need to say mon cœur, because cœur is a masculine word. Also, you can add petit or petite in front of most terms of endearment to emphasize them and show even more closeness. For example, ma petite chérie, mon petit chou. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and a very special thanks to my patrons as well, without whom this channel would simply not be the same. Please check out my Patreon page, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram as well. I'll see you there. Bye! À bientôt!